Have you ever pondered what the future of artificial intelligence might look like? Imagine a world where AI not only understands text and images, but also code, audio and video. Welcome to the realm of Google Gemini, an advanced AI model that's transforming the future of technology as we know it. Conventional AI models have their limitations. They're typically designed to process specific data types, be it text or images. But Google Gemini broadens these horizons with its multimodal capabilities. It's a model that can fluently navigate through a wide array of data types, unveiling connections and insights that were previously out of reach. Now, think about scalability. Google Gemini is a master of this. It comes in 3 sizes: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. Each size is designed to cater to specific needs and resources. The Ultra model powers large-scale applications, the Pro model strikes a balance between performance and efficiency, and the Nano model runs efficiently on mobile devices. This scalability ensures that the power of AI is accessible to all, regardless of their resources. But Google Gemini is more than just a database. It's a thinking machine. It's capable of advanced reasoning, able to analyze vast amounts of data and draw complex inferences. It doesn't merely memorize, it understands. And it can explain its reasoning, providing a level of transparency that fosters trust and collaboration. Google Gemini is also a bridge between humans and machines. It's a code whisperer. It can understand and generate code, opening up a new world of possibilities for programmers and developers. To sum up, Google Gemini is not just the next step in AI, it's a giant leap forward. It breaks the barriers of traditional AI models with its multimodal capabilities and scalability. It's a thinking machine with advanced reasoning capabilities. And it's a bridge between humans and machines. It's a glimpse into the future of AI, and it's here today. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. The future is here, and it's powered by Google Gemini.
All right, testing Gemini. Here we go. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
A duck is a type of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Ducks are closely related to geese and swans. The duck appears to be blue. This is not a common color for ducks. However, there are some breeds of blue ducks. These are typically not as common as other duck breeds. It is more common for ducks to be brown, black, or white. You are trying to get me to find the paper ball under the cup. I accept the challenge. The cup to the left.
Nice.
I know what you're doing. You're playing rock, paper, scissors.
What do you see now?
The fingers are spread out to look like the wings of a butterfly.
What's this?
Big ear and barking mouth. A dog.
Sweet. Said, I think we're done.